Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you around this Honda Pilot 2020. This is the EXL model. I traded my car and I got this and I'm happy with it so far. 2020 EXL. So the back look. I'm going to show you around how it goes. So this one is you have the remote start, keyless entry, the smart entry. So to start the car with the remote, you want to press this 2 times and press alright. So let's start it. Press the lock key 2 times and press and hold the start symbol right there, and it will crank up. So there you go, it start running. So if you want to extend it will run for 10 minutes and then cut off. If you want to extend the run time, you repeat the process. You press this 2 times, press it 2 times and hold it, and once it flash like that, it extend the run time to 20 minutes. If you want to kill it, you just go ahead and hold the button to start it, and it will go ahead and cut off. Alright, so that's how you crank it up with the remote. To open the door, you come right here, you hold it. Once you have the key, you can do it like that and the door open. But what you can do also is you can close the door and walk away. When you walk away from the car, it will lock, but I have the key on me, so it won't lock, and I'm right next to the car. But when you walk away from the car, the door will lock for you. Alright, so now we have the door open. Go ahead, close this. You hear it beep 1 time, and then when you walk away, it beep another time and it locked the door. So I don't have the key on me. I'm gonna leave the key right here in the grass. Walk up to the car, the door is locked, and then I can come back right here, get the key, walk back to the car, hold the handle, and it unlock like that. Alright, this is the EXL model. You have memory seat. So on the key you have 1 and 2. This is number 1. The other key is at my house, and you can adjust the seat to however you want it by using this right down here. And this one have as you can see, this one have the step, which I hardly use. And this one come with gray 20-inch rim wrapped in 245 50, and they're all 20-inch rim. And this is the EXL model. To open the gas, you come right here, press that, this open right here, and you have capless gas. You just go ahead, put your nozzle in, and you should be good. These take 87 and up. So and it's also, you have remote power lift gate, same thing. You press and hold, and the back will open. You have no light on the trunk except for the license plate. So here in the back to your left, you're gonna have this for the locks, for the key, for your rim. That's the lock in there. You can go ahead, we have more compartment under here, and we have another one. If you lift this up, right there is another compartment of my computer right there. And to lower the seat down, you can go ahead and press these buttons on the side, and the seat will come down like that. Okay, so you can go ahead, lift this up back, and you can recline the seat. You can slide the seat forward like that and backward like that, and you can recline your seat. Okay, and also you have these sunshades that retract into the door. You can go ahead, hook it up if you want. I'll leave them up, it's my preference. And to close the trunk, you can go ahead and press this right here and it will close. So as you see, it closes really fast. And under the running board, it also have like lights under there. I'm gonna go ahead and crank the car up, but I also will make the end part of the video, I will make it in the night. I will go ahead and finish it in the night. You have a nice big digital clock cluster right here with 2 analog gauge at the end for your temperature and for your gas. And that arrow on your gas tank is to show you which side of the vehicle you put gas in the car from. So if it's pointing to the left, so your gas port is on your left side of the vehicle. If it's pointing to the right, your gas port will be on the right side of the vehicle. So once here, you see right here, you see where that is selected number 1 because it sends the number 1 key. And down here you have your lane departure warning, traction control. Right here you have your collision warning. And if you have this to your left and you put the car in reverse by pulling down the button, your left mirror gonna go down like that. And if you switch it to the right, your right mirror go down. Alright, so switch it to the right, your right mirror go down. If you leave it in the middle, both mirrors stay up to the position you have them before. So I leave mine on the right because I like when I'm backing up, the right mirror go down. Some people might not like this setup, but I do like it. The button, it's a lot of space. I gotta get used to it because the Avalon had a stick, and so I have to get used to this. Press P to go in park, press neutral to go in neutral, press to go in drive or sport mode. Once you at the complete stop and you open your door, you automatically go to park by itself, so your car won't run. If you have it in neutral and you open the door, it automatically go to park too. But if you want your car to stay in neutral, you gotta press and hold it for like, press and hold the brakes for like 2 seconds, and it will stay in neutral now, even when you open the door. So let me press and hold it. You press and hold it. You press and hold it for 2 seconds. And then you can open the door. It's still not working for me. So let me see. Okay, so you have to press it, let it go, and press it again and hold the second press for 2 seconds. And you can open the door and the vehicle stay in neutral. Okay, leave that in park. Let's go ahead and go underneath the hood and see that V6 3.5. That 3.5 V6. So there you go, that's the 3.5 V6. So this one I'm trying, I'm not in the car. I'm gonna try, I'm not sure if it's gonna work if you're not in the car. So you get out of your car and forget it's running. Let's press and hold this and see if we cut it off. So actually don't. Once you press the button to start it up, you have to press the button to turn it off. Alright, so guys, we are here in the front. Right here is your windshield washer fluid. You can add fluid there for your washer. And down here is your reservoir, your coolant reservoir. Right here is your ABS control, your ABS module, your fuse box, the engine, and your 9-speed transmission over there. And your battery is under here. And it's a neat trick. They show you the size battery on the battery cover, size 48. Alright, and right here is your air box. This seems to be another fuse box or relay box right here. So it's another fuse box right there. And the head is LED for the low beam and for the fog lamp, and the rest of the bulb is regular bulb, halogen bulb. So that's it for that, guys. That's it for this one. I'm gonna show you a video of it in the night, which I will add into the end of the video. And you guys can ask me anything what you wanna ask me about it, and I'll make a video of it in case you're interested in getting one. Alright guys, so this is in the night. This is what it looked like with the lights on. So there you go. LED low beam, LED fog lamp. That's what it looked like. As you see, we got turn signal in the mirror, LED also, and the turn signal in the back is the regular bulb, but the around it is LED. And also there are some light underneath the board that shine on the ground. If you look under there, there's like 2 of them, one in the back and one in the front. So it's not bad looking at night. And here you go with the interior in the night. It's regular bulb, as you can see, and that's how everything look. Alright, so that's how everything look at night. That's how the cluster look at night also. Alright guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you, help me grow this channel. Alright, and you will be seeing more video from this car, about this car from me, okay? Alright guys, so just go ahead and get in the vehicle. Let's go for a drive. And I will make a video after to show you how the lane keep assist work. Right here on the camera. Right here on the camera, you're gonna have these different, you're gonna have wide view, you're gonna have the straight down view from the video, and you have the ultra wide view. All right, and this is your blinds for your cross traffic alert. So let's go ahead and back up and see. There's somebody over there learning to drive, so I gotta wait till they pass, and then see. So that's it's working. So that's a good example of it working. So let's get back. I'll go ahead and press drive. Always heard something pop all when I'm backing up. That's the only problem I have with it. I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit because it's new. So see if everything's set. If it's still making a popping sound, I'm just gonna take it to the dealer for that one. Alright, let's go ahead and got a house for sale over there. It's not bad. So it drive really good, no complaint there. It feels comfortable. The Havilland feel more powerful than this. This have a little hesitation when you just about to press on the gas, which the Havilland don't have that. The Havilland just go. This one delay for a little bit, then it pick up. But apart from that, that's good. Unfortunately, guys, I can't really put my foot down on it because the mile is so low. I gotta break the engine in first, and then when I break the engine in, then I can get into it and show you guys the speed, the VTEC coming in. Okay, it have a 280 horsepower engine in it. I should just go and see if I can get the lane assist to come on, which only come on above 46 miles per hour. So I'll go ahead and see if I can let it come on. So once you turn on your cruise control by pressing main, you're gonna have everything come up, and then once you press that, that's gonna come up on the dash. And once that gets solid, the vehicle will start steering itself. So let me see if I can go above that and keep it at that. Let's see if it will come on. Alright, so now it's on. The vehicle will steer itself, it will hold itself in the lane. It's gonna ask you to hold the steering wheel when it don't sense anything holding it, but the vehicle is doing it on itself. It lose the line from the, but there you go, you got it back. You can see the steering turning by itself, and that was me pressing the gas, so that's not even with the cruise control. So let's see, have a little it's asking me to hold the steering. So there you go. Let's see what it do. It didn't take that corner just now, but let's see what it do. I mean, it's good for the highway, but not for local driving, because you have so much traffic on the road, so much intersection where it loses the line. But apart from that, it's good. So alright guys, this will be the end of the video. Thank you. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.